The Obennebo kindred Enugwu traced its genealogy to Obennebo Onyeso, who lived in the 18th century. His father, Onyeso, was a great-grandson of Egweloka, who was a grandson of Onana, believed to be the founder of Avomimi. The descendants of Obennebo, known as Umu-Obennebo, are found in Enu-Avomimi and Adagbe Avomimi, the two sections of Avomimi village of Enugwu. The Obennebo kindred of Adagbe Avomimi traced its lineage from four of the sons of Obennebo, namely Nwadioka, Okoye, Nwankwo, and Bulana. In a welcome address, the chairman of Umu-Obennebo family meeting and the former director general of Federal Radio Corporation of Nigeria, Mr. Ben Ebuna, who recalled that the first edition of the genealogy of Umu-Obennebo was edited in December 1990, highlighted the importance of keeping history in records, as it will give the younger generation the opportunity to know their background and remember people who are part of their family.
30 years, 38 years ago, Ndoke married the history. So very high kaka. Now when they are this plan by now, how many days and where the
chairman on the occasion and managing director and chief executive officer of the ABS, Mr. Ushemwora, implored them to create an avenue where the publication would be updated for reference purposes, including storing at libraries, creation of websites, and social platforms. Mr. Nwora commended all who contributed to the publication, stressing that the record of family genealogy should be maintained for the benefit of generations to come.
I'm very, very happy and proud of this work. I don't know, I'm not going ever. So even in ever, even already it's on Facebook already as we speak. The pictures that we've already posted it online. But an ABS, kita was the another ABS, ABS I can go digital. What was I want to buy about line, I get copies of the genealogy show, please. Get with the libraries.
In a speech, the chief launcher on the program, Mr. Ukwu Ebuna, lauded Umu-Obennebo Adagbe Avomimi for their painstaking efforts in compiling and publishing the second edition, noting that tracing family roots is a challenging experience.
Family, if so I'm here can support even carry more progress. Can go well the days rock.
The event featured unveiling of the book Genealogy Umu-Obennebo of Adagbe Avomimi Enugwu. From Adagbe Avomimi Enugwu, I am Emmanuel Chibata reporting for ABS News.